Okay, so what we'll do is we'll quickly do a little guessing game, where we'll make a random number, and then we'll use a. Ideally, you'd want to use a while loop actually. So let's go ahead and do that. So let me show you how to use a random number. So it's right here. This is probably the easiest way. Let's see here. You can use the random number class. You know, there's a bunch of, this is like min minus max plus 1. This is the other way you could do it. This way's pretty easy too. So we'll do this. I never remember that code. So let's go ahead and say, all right. And now we'll say int guess me is going to equal this. And we'll have to just say this. Int max will equal, I don't know, 50. Int min will equal 0. So this will create a random number from 0 to 50. And then guess will equal, just for now, 0. So we'll do this. Let's just say, let's give them like 50 guesses. So we'll say for int I equals 0. Well, I is less than 50. Just say 50. I plus plus. This isn't the best way to do a guessing game, but it'll work. And let's come up with int tries. Again, you'd probably want to use a while loop for this, but we'll do it this way. So we'll say enter the number to guess. And we'll say if, actually, let's say guess equals scan dot next int. And we'll say if guess is equal to guess me, you got it in let's just make this equal 0. Okay, that's if it equals it. Else, if guess is greater than guess me, we'll say like too big. And then we'll increase our tries. Tries plus plus. That means just make tries 1 bigger. Else, this means, well, if it's not equal to it and it's not bigger than it, it's less than it, right? It's too small. All right. There's one thing you want to do here so you don't keep going around the loop. We're going to say if we do make our guess, we're going to just mess with our counter. We're going to make I equal 50. What this will do is this will just end the loop. It'll go back up to here. No matter where I is, we could actually mess with I and just make it bigger. We could say I is, if you want to, it doesn't matter. Anything bigger than 49. It's going from 0 to 49. So if I make it 50, it'll stop the loop, right? 51 would work. And this will stop it. So we're just going to say, but get out of here. If you guessed it, you got it in that many tries, right? And I'll just end the program. So this is it. I think that's good. Let's try it. All right. All right. Need one more of those. All right. Oh. Let's see here. Oh, I don't think I made a scanner. And there's one thing you have to do here. Just do this. It'll just make it an integer. Just do this. Okay, and our number to guess, we'll say 5. Your guess is too small. What am I entering up to? What number? 50. So we'll say 30. Guess is too large. 15. 10. 7. Okay. 8. 9. It's got to be 9 then. I got it in 6 attempts. All right, that was kind of unlucky how I was guessing there. But we'll run it one more time. And our number to guess, 25. This is called, check this out, too large. So we're going to go 12. Too small. So we'll go between 12 and 25. 18. Too small. Between 18 and 25. 22. 24. It's 23, right? We got it in 5 attempts, slightly better. All right, so that's the program. Hopefully that makes sense. The reason why I have to do int here, by the way, is this math.random function, this function here, makes a double. And what int will do is it'll make it round to an integer. Otherwise, it just won't work. So this forces it to be an integer. All right, and if you want to guess more numbers, you could go from like, whatever to whatever. So hopefully this makes sense. Hopefully you learned something, and thanks for watching.